Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Esbjerg, Denmark. We really love this hotel, and because of this hotel, we booked this travel. So today is the first night. We had a very long journey behind us, and we are very, very tired. So our body needs some wonderful nutrition so that we can sleep well, we can just enjoy. So I don't want to have some fast food either. The restaurant on the top of the roof was very full. So then we were at the supermarket. And today I want to present some different courses for our dinner. So let's start. First, we made a gazpacho. This is actually based on the Spain gazpacho recipe. You will find it in YouTube everywhere. And my idea is minus the original Spanish gazpacho minus bread, plus avocado, and always have some onion and garlic, and then season it like a salad. That's all. So now this has been prepared 3 days ago. It's a lot of different vegetable, mainly also tomato and some cucumber and so on. I will make a special video for this. And now this is our drink and food together. So now the second course is some fish. And for the fish, this is salmon. I'd like to have some Japanese idea. And what I did is, at home, I packed this wasabi powder. Wasabi powder, it's always very easy and simple to buy this powder. I think we have 500 gram package. It's with some Farbstoffe from colors. What is not nice, but I cannot get some clean one. So then, because it's so delicious and it's for me, it's Japanese. Then a little bit green color is not bad. Now, this is wasabi is ready. If you think the salt is not enough, then you can add some soya sauce in it, but this is 0.8% salt. So for me, it's perfect. It's Denmark. We bought it just at Føtex, the supermarket, the big.
The fish is 0.8% salt.
Yeah, the fish. So it's perfect. Then this is one main. I want to present it here in the middle. The next one is the salad. I have here the salad. You know the Tsukemono method. I made already so many stuff with Tsukemono. So I don't want to repeat myself. And it's the same method with kohlrabi and with some cucumber, because this again is very good. And now I'd like to have some vinegar. So first I have some to add some protein. I'd like to, because we are so tired, and for recovering, for the body's recovering, we always have to pay attention that we get enough. We have to get enough protein. Wow, it's a pity. Not another one. There's several stuff. Oh, thank you so much. Actually, I use everything, so I want to keep this sauce because the color is very healthy. So I don't want to just throw the sauce away. And with a little bit rest of wasabi, I can drink it later. Then with some beans, we have a wonderful salad. So with these, I think I forgot the vinegar. Then on the highway, when we were hungry from Germany, then we were at Burger King, and we ordered salad. So this is one salad sauce, and as I forgot the vinegar, I can use it. It's very clean, no additives. It's very clean stuff, so I kept it. And then always add some wonderful oil because it's good for the body, for the nutrition. So I'd like to have the stylish, the Kürbiskernöl, and have this like, yeah. Oh, it's so fragrant. Excellent. I'm very happy to have this. And now I want to add some Japanese idea. This is shichimi from Kyoto. 7 spices. It's give a wonderful touch of flavor. Shichimi was created in 1500 something or 1600 something, and it's always 7 spices kept until today. And the original is found in Kyoto. So this is one. Then for the last one, for the second last, for the second last is this yakinori. Yakinori is orgy, and it's quite expensive, but we have that at the restaurant time, and I kept it, so I made just a soup out of it. Soy sauce. And normally we need sesame oil, but if you don't have sesame oil, the olive oil is always fine. I won't add the styrofoam because this is too strong for the flavor. So this matches quite good. And when the water is cooking, I want to tell you this is Danish. It's a specialty from Denmark with pork skin, because I heard I got injured when we were planting the tree from the small pot to the bigger pot. Then I hurt myself, and this is already a few days. And to get the gelatin, the natural gelatin, I have to eat this natural stuff to give my body the possibility get the gelatin in. So yeah, so this is medicine to eat, very delicious, and we want to add it as a dish. So now I made it.
It's only pork and salt.
Yeah, no additive. the Chinese people, they have the soup at last. So why soup? Because for me, if the whole dinner is only cold, for me it's not a meal. So it should be hot. And if you end with hot, your body will thank you. You will feel peace. Then let the umami come into the soup, and let it working while we eat the other dishes. And then I will cook water again, fill it up just before eating, and add just put some oil before eating. Now, the idea is how to get low carb. Because normally if it's a Western style and you want to have some bread or so, but one idea is I learned it from the Korean kitchen for their grilled, so barbecue pork or so. They just eat like this. So take one piece or two pieces like this, and then you add some, add some fish, you add some salads, and maybe one of this radish, and you roll it together. Because this doesn't has any taste, it's only the taste of grass, very refreshing. Maybe this is too much, too much salt or whatever. This mild it up, and with a different combination, you have for each leaf, you have a kind of different roll. So it's like roll, but not with wheat, not with carbohydrate. It's only with a fresh vegetable. So for this dinner from the nutrition, we have protein. We have the animal protein because we are injured. I'm injured. And we have the plant protein. And we have the variety of different plants. And this is also lot of vegetable and not cooked. It's very important that it's not cooked, and body can give it the bioavailability. Thank you so much. Good appetit.